Hi everyone, welcome into Postman tutorial. Today in this tutorial, I will show you how to run a Postman collection in Jenkins. We will go step by step from installing Newman, setting up Jenkins and running the collection automatically. This will help you test your APIs without doing it manually every time. So let's begin. Step 1, download Node, Node.js. I have already download Node.js. Also, in previous tutorial, I have explained about the download Node.js and verify the Node.js. So, open Chrome browser and go to this website Node.js and then click on Windows installer. You can verify Node.js version by this command node-v and verify npm version npm-v. Open cmd and search here node -v. This is the command for checking Node.js version and verify npm version npm-version. This is the first step for downloading Node.js. Step 2, install Newman globally. Open cmd and type here npm install Newman-g. This is the command for installing Newman. Now Newman is installing. After installing this, we need to verify whether this package is installed or not. So first install this package. Step 3, download Jenkins. As you can view, package has been downloaded. Now we can verify this package Newman-v. This is the command for checking the version of Newman 6.2.1. Now download Jenkins. Open Chrome browser and search here Jenkins download and then click on download and deploy. Scroll down and here you can view version Windows. Click on this Windows. Now Jenkins is download. I have already downloaded, so quickly I will show you how you can set up Jenkins. Click on this Windows installer package preparing to install. Now click on next. See program files. This is the location in which Jenkins will be installed, destination folder. Click on next. Now here two options, login type, run service as local system. Now for now click on this one next. Click on test port. Click on next and then choose JDK recommended. You can view here environment only Java 17 and 21 are supported by Jenkins. Select file. Go to C program files Java and then click on JDK 21. Okay. Then click on next. Click on next and then click on install. Now installing has been started. Please wait while the setup. After installing, we need to set up environment variables. So now click on finish. Step 4, add npm global path to system path. First, we will find the npm global folder. Find the npm global folder by command npm config get prefix. This is the command for finding the npm global folder. npm config get prefix. You can find this is the path of the npm global folder. Copy this path and search here, setup, edit the system environment variables. Click on environment variable and go to this path and type here. I have already set environment variable. Now enter here path. First, you need to copy this complete path. You need to set npm globally. So enter path here, click on OK, and then click on OK. Now click on OK. I have already edit environment variable. Add environment variable. Step 5, export collection. Open Postman and this API for login and get user. First export this collection. Click on three dot. Click on three dot here, more, and then click on export. Now it will ask for you export as collection v2 or collection v2.1. Click on export JSON. Change here user JSON. This is the location in which this collection will be saved. Now step open Jenkins and create new atom. For opening Jenkins, you need to type localhost 8080. Open Chrome browser and enter here localhost. Click on new atom. Enter here atom name, collection, run, and then click on freestyle project. Click on OK. You can add description here. Scroll down and then click on automate your build process with order task like code compilation. Click on add build step. Execute Windows batch command. In previous tutorial, I have explained how you can run the collection by using Newman. So command you need to enter here Newman run and then enter path of the collection. Right click on user, click on properties, copy this complete path, and this file name is user. Enter path here, double slash here, same as well. You need to enter here double slash and then enter user dot json. Click on apply and then click on save. Click on build now. Now it will build. You can view here. After build successfully, we can view output. So click on this one and then click on console output. As you can view here, started by user unknown, and scroll down, login API, post request. We are getting unauthorized because we need to add API key. So here you can view get user iterations. One executed, request two. We have total two requests, login API and get user, and test scripts one failed. Scroll down, total run duration you can view 2.1 second, total data received, average response time, minimum, maximum. You can changing in configuration. If you want to change, click on this one, click on configured. Suppose you want to first install Newman and then run your collection, so you can enter here npm install Newman dash g. First it will install Newman and then execute your collection. Click on this, it will ask for you save. So now remove this line, click on save. If you want to delete project, you can click on delete project, and you can view last build, and you can rename. The new name is the same as the current name, so you can change here project name, click on rename. Now rename successfully. So there's our for today tutorial on how you can run a Postman collection in Jenkins. Now your API test can run automatically whenever you want. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, share it, and subscribe to SQL for more simple testing tutorials. See you in the next video.